Get rid of a dead bush.
No, it's dead.
It's a nice shape for it, yes.
Yeah.
Do like this. Dance with me,
Like we're all wrapped. Good morning, Philippines.
Patay naman eh. So, kailangan lupatay na. Hindi na ito babalik. Nahirapan akong ano yan, logiton. Damo na. Anyari? Bakit damo na yan dyan? Look. Ang laki. You're back. Han?
What if we split this? How's it going, Harold? Get rid of a dead bush.
No, it's dead.
It's a nice shape for it, yes.
Yeah.
It's gonna rain like hell tomorrow.
So I hear.
You didn't get any damage on your house from that wind, did you?
Not that I can tell.
Yeah, because it ripped up my rib vent and it ripped up my fascia. I was up there this morning nailing it, so.
I had a while ago. Did this one?
What was that?
It happened a while ago over here. Did this one here.
Yeah.
I put it back. It seems to be holding okay.
Right.
I know, on that ain't the way to do that. What good is that doing you?
Hello guys! Good afternoon! Kanina maaga tayo doon sa labas. And then, pasensya na, hindi ako naliligo kasi mag-garden naman tayo. And then, lalabas kami ni Tami para bibili ng mga gamit sa garden, mga pang-gardening like wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow ba yan or something? Aywan ko, bibili daw kami kasi panghakot kapag mag-ano kami. Bibili, mag-order kami ng malls, ganon. So, ito yung suot natin. Hindi pa ako naliligo. Lunch natin. And si Tami naliligo. At saka kumakati na dito, hopefully hindi ako nakakuha ng poison ivy because sobrang aga pa akong nag-garden. Magka-poison ivy ako. Ay nako, it's like a disaster. Pero hopefully wala pang poison ivy kasi hindi pa nag-start. Pero makati na siya. Hi guys, binalik ko lang tong sinuot ko kasi wala nga tayong ligo, di ba? Hindi tayo nag-shower. So, yun, mabaho po tayo. Guys, hindi po tayo mabaho. Alam natin kung paano mag-wash. Mag-wash and wish. Wishy-wishy. Wishy-wishy did wishy did too. So, nahirapan ako kanina doon sa labas. And, tapos na siya finally. And, ako, bili tayo ng wheelbarrow. And then, we have to stop to Spectrum to, drop the modem. Tignan nyo naman yan, guys. Tignan nyo naman yan. Ginawang pillow yung laruan. Sleepyhead mo na. Oy, mama's worried about you. You're getting too big, little boy. Guys, nag-worry talaga ako nito. Sabi pa ng advertisement sa TV, you care too much about your pets and they become obese because you love them so much, and that's what happened. I mean, you can love them so much but don't feed a lot. Oh my God, si Tami kasi guys, basta andito na si Tami guys, walang diet. Kawawa naman yan, oy. Diet na tayo, Habs. Diet na, ha? Mag-diet na, ha? Look at you. You're getting so big. I'm worried about you. Ay, babag. Hello, little boy. You really have to diet, Habs. You have to give a little bit like Andrea. Han, look at him. He's getting so big, Han. Like he's really round, Han. No, look at him.
I'm really round.
No, look at him. You worried? That's the advertisement on TV that you care too much about your pets. Their health is at risk because you love too much your pets. That's what happened. So, makit yung puson ko. Grabe. Ang sakit ng puson ko. So, andito lang ako sa sasakyan. Ang sakit. Hindi kinaya ng puson ko yung Yung ko, sakit. Sobrang sakit. Why? Is it too big?
Big enough.
Really? Hello, hold on. Okay, there you go. Your jacket, Okay. Nakakuha siya ng wheelbarrow, guys. So, meron pala siya. So, ngayon, masakit sa tainga. Wow, that's really big. How can I handle that?
Yeah, I want it look a little nicer. But this one doesn't get flat tires and has steel handles. The other one has wood handles. Yeah, it seemed like the one with the metal handles would be better.
And how much is this?
110, the other one was 120. Well, the other one...
You can go here.
This was 100. So we're taxed 110. So the other one was 120, so we're taxed 135.
Really?
Yeah, so the other one... Yeah, it's not going to move. It's, it's not going to bounce as nice as up, but... You just don't have to worry about flat tires.
Oh, maybe this is a... Oh my God, that's really huge. But I hope I can handle that weight.
It's still only got one wheel. They all had one wheel.
All one? There's no like 3-wheel?
No.
No?
Wheelbarrow, you lift back and you push it, it rolls on one wheel, but they have ones with 2 wheels close together, so it's more stable.
Really painful. I'm sorry, hon. I wasn't able to go.
So I need to rent to get the car here.
What?
To get
What's
mom's
up?
car here.
Oh my god, this is really huge. Lala. This is big. Lala. Yeah, I know how it works. I know how it works. Put it here. Up. Put it close to the... Whatever there. Guys, I took a leave when I get here because the pain is killing me. And then nag-lie down ako sa office ni Tommy, and then now nawala na yung pain. So I get up. So he's the one taking care of the thing. Wheelbarrow and the mess.
Yeah.
Your phone is here.
Yeah, I know.
You're such a good husband, and he's doing laundry. Honey, you cannot hang my jeans, huh? Oh, you cannot blow dryer my jeans, huh?
Why? You always told me to do that.
No, that one is not.
No, you don't. Okay.
No, that corduroy thing. Corduroy.
Corduroys, yeah, they'll shrink.
Okay, guys. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm going to plant. Because tomorrow is raining. Excuse me, honey. Zucchini, guys. Zucchini. So I don't know what Tom is doing here. I don't even enjoy the I don't even enjoy using the wheelbarrow.
Oh, it's fun.
Huh?
Well, I get the fun thing.
Yeah, but I wanna use it.
Well, you think I should use it.
So you say, what I'm gonna do? Put you in there?
Crap around.
Put you in there?
Roxy in there, wheel her around. She'd love it.
I will try the eggplant again, guys, even though it's kind of like... So, I'm going... Magplant tayo, guys. I will be in the backyard. Pichay dito. Kuan man to ito. Tawag nito. Seedling pa man, guys. Seedling. Para matabunan siya. Ito, itry ko to ulit. Hindi ko yan nagustuhan noong noong last summer. So yun, hindi ko yan nagustuhan. Na tayo dito. Parang may nagdidig dito eh. Nagdesisyon kaming mag-dinner finally kasi
Yeah, do it. Do it.
I'm gonna get this area here, okay? It's more saucy.
You can have whatever you want.
Is that okay?
Yes, I'm not even having that today.
Why?
I had it for lunch. I'm gonna get rid of those mashed potatoes.
Mac potato?
Yeah.
That's probably bad,
I
huh?
doubt it.
Anyway, guys, we decided to eat dinner na. It's already 7 something and it's like
You're not gonna have any of this? Really? Seriously?
No. I have salmon.
It looks like a big poop. Roxy would really like it.
That's a Carabao one, honey. Tamis garlic bread. Tamis, ano guys, eggplant is sarap talaga siya as in. Masherette. Honey, you have this, honey, look. So, ngayong araw, we don't really do anything kasi we just kinda, well, we did something outside and then we went outside, we went to the store, and I wasn't feeling good after because my husband is...
Because me?
He doesn't-
Feeling good because of me?
He doesn't give me any Advil. He's the one that always like so protective of me. Eat before you go. Take this before you go. Pee before you go. He's not that controlling. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. Okay, get some vegetables, please.
I will. He did this. I'm still working on mine. Okay, so you want me to take? So you're telling me to take more so that Roxy can have?
Roxy and Misty.
Oh, jeez. What about Hobbs and Dimples?
Did he die? They're the one that need died badly. Can I put this back? Are you sure?
Yeah.
You say this is good, right?
I like it.
Oh, I know.
You tried it yesterday.
I know. It's dance with me, darling. Darling, dance with
I
me.
do feel better.
Hand. Like this, dance. Hand. Do like this. Dance with me, darling.
Should I swirl around with my tutu?
Turn around. Dance with me. Honey, can you turn? Can I turn and you turn?
You turn. Yeah,
Okay, you turn and I
you
turn.
turn.
And then you turn.
Rox, your turn.
Come here,
she
come here, Roxy, come. Come here. Come up.
You want food from Mama? You gotta do what she
Come
says.
up. Come here, babe. Don't be stupid. My legs is hurting. No.
Lucy said, "Come on here. I'll dance with you."
Yeah, she's a dancer.
Wiggle, 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 waggle, Misty Boo. Roxy's sniffing on the counter, but there's none for you.
Bid time na matulog na kasi maaga pa si Mr. bukas. Maaga pa siyang tawag nun, alis kasi ulan. May thunderstorm na naman bukas. May ulan na naman. Kami, bago matulog, bigyan ng treat ang mga baby. Ang hub namin, gutom na gutom, Parang hindi pinakain talaga. Misty, good girl. Come here, Roxy. Good girl. I'm going to rotate. Kasi yung kabila lang yung naarawan, yung kabila wala. So, yan. Rotate. Anyway, guys, salamat, guys. Thank you, guys. Kita-kits tayo bukas.